Even as the national lockdown continues, many states have been seeing a lot of confusion because of the government's plans. One state in the northeast, however, that appears to have prepared itself in many ways, despite not having a single COVID-19 positive case, is Assam, which is clearly showing the way. It has transformed big stadiums to makeshift quarantine centers.
So after 2 days of continuous rainfall, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हुई है गुवाहाटी पे and the air quality index has dropped to 74. तो जो भी हो जैसा भी हो, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing well. तो जो कि फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन खत्म होने को था 15th of April को, तो मोदी जी ने एक्सटेंड कर दिया है 3rd मई तक. एंड इट्स रियली गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग नाउ कि कुछ भी नया कंटेंट मिल नहीं रहा है. तो मैं अभी जाऊँगा अपनी दीदी के घर जो कि सामने ही है, तो मास्क लगा के जाऊँगा अपने गाड़ी पे. तो आगे का ब्लॉग कंटिन्यू होगा विद सम न्यू एंड फ्रेश कंटेंट. तो टिल देन लेट्स गो. So I will show you one of the streets in Guwahati which remains always crowded at this point of time during the evening क्योंकि अभी बहुत सारे ऑफिस छुट्टी होते हैं. So you can see this street is totally empty today. Lovely day, the sun is shining brightly all over, the sky is clear, air quality index has dropped to 76 and कल के दिन ब्लॉग कंटिन्यू नहीं हो पाया क्योंकि कल के दिन जब मैं दीदी के घर से अपने घर आया था तो बहुत लेट हो गया था, इसलिए कल के दिन the vlog couldn't be continued. So this is the next day which you are watching right now and today surprisingly I woke up at around like 12 o'clock in the afternoon and now I am having tea along with mixture. So इसके बाद सीधे लंच करूँगा 2:30 बजे के आसपास. Now for the reason which I have decided to make this video, let's not delay it and let's just start with that. So I just wanted to highlight some points for which Assam is having less number of coronavirus cases than any other states in the country. So when the whole country was fighting against this virus, Assam was fully prepared about the consequences of it. And by the 26th of March, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, the Health Minister of Assam, he decided to provide 2,000 beds in Guwahati Medical College Hospital and Assam Medical College Hospital. And by the 30th of March, just in 5 days, the whole setup was completed. So it was really applaudable. And next comes the decision of providing 700 quarantine beds in Saraswati Stadium, which was also decided on 26th of March, and it was also completed just in 5 days. So it was really a Herculean effort by the construction people and brilliant thinking of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma. Until then, no positive cases of this virus was found in Assam. And let's not forget, on the 25th of March, 150 beds were earmarked for COVID-19 patients in Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary Hospital, and day by day, on the 20th of March, 12 beds were fully equipped in 3 days in Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary Hospital, just in 3 days. And on the 30th of March, 150 beds along with 16 ICUs were set up in Sonapur Civil Hospital. तब तक एक भी coronavirus cases आया नहीं था असम पे. Then comes the day when the first positive case of coronavirus was found in Assam, and it was found in a 52-year-old man who was directly related to the Nizamuddin case in Delhi. On the 1st of April, 5 positive cases came out, and gradually after weeks, on the 16th of April, updated at 5 p.m., the total number of coronavirus cases in Assam was 34. Not to forget the Nizamuddin case when more than 400 people from Assam were directly or indirectly related with that incident, and I don't want to repeat that thing क्योंकि आप लोग OTP में बार-बार देख चुके होंगे. Next comes the day when the first positive case of coronavirus was found in Assam, which was not at all linked with the Nizamuddin Marcus case, and the whole state was in a shock. Although he had a travel history from Delhi on the month of March. So next I just want to show you the awareness of Health Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, how frequently he visited the hospitals where COVID-19 patients were undergoing treatment, and he just took care of anything they were in need of. With that, he deserves a big round of applause. You can see in these pictures how Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma frequently visited the government hospitals, and he was here till midnight. Next, let's just not forget about the contribution by the people of Assam. The government of Assam had collectively gathered a huge amount of rupees 96.88 crore by 44,834 people, and Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma himself donated rupees 1 lakh towards PM Care Fund and rupees 50,000 towards Assam Arogya Nidhi. So these people really deserves a huge round of applause. To show you about the progress by the state, where on 15th of April, 50,000 PPE kits were arrived from Guangzhou, China. And by the 17th of April, ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, that approved the Tesco Medical College Hospital to be an accredited laboratory testing center for COVID-19. So as for now, 16 testing laboratories in Assam are present. So by the 17th of April, total number of cured patients in Assam was 9, and by the 18th of April, total number of cured patients was 11. and by yesterday, which was 19th of April, the total number of cured patients was 16. And also Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sharma tweeted in his Twitter account that the coronavirus strain has already broken in the state, so it's a huge success for the state. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वायरस खत्म हो गया, जो this strain is broken, it means that जो लोग quarantined है already, उन्हीं में से new cases आ रहे हैं, तो new cases कहीं और से नहीं आ रहे हैं. This means the strain has already broken in the state. So the state has collectively taken measures against this virus, and it has fought very hard to prevent it from as many as people it can. So that was the video all about. So if you guys like the video for whatsoever reason, please hit the like button and also please do subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. Take care. SBI Dear Card 12525 use for ₹75 from 20th April. ये कब हुआ? अच्छा iTunes की वजह से.